Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Shuchi. Today we are going to learn Jain Darshan and education. So let's begin. Rishabdev was the founder and first Tirthankar of Jain philosophy. There were 24 Tirthankars in Jain philosophy. In Jain philosophy, Tirthankars is said to those people who have attained enlightenment by asceticism or penance. Last and 24th Tirthankar of Jain philosophy was Mahavir Swami. 24th Tirthankar, that is Mahavir Swami, is honored with title Jin. The meaning of this Jin is spiritual conqueror. The fundamental statement of Jain philosophy is Atma is inside everyone. On the basis of basic principles, Jain philosophy differentiated into two groups. First, Shvetambaras and second, Digambaras. Shvetambaras were flexible in their rules, whereas Digambaras were orthodox, rigid and stereotyped. Shvetambaras wear white clothes and take foods, but Digambaras not wear clothes. They think that for attainment of salvation, that is Kaivalya, there is no essentiality of clothes, even food is also not required. Now we are going to know about the structure of Jainism. Jain philosophy is atheist, that is, it does not believe in the God. It follows objectivism and it is pluralist. According to Jain philosophy, matter is true. It divided matter of world in two. One is Jeev and other is Ajeev. Jeev having life, whereas Ajeev having no life. Jain philosophy says that respect should be provided to the views and religion of others. In relation of this opinion, they gave two theories. First is Anekantvad and the second one is Syadvad. According to Anekantvad, object, that is matter, have many religions, and Syadvad says that no idea is absolute truth. The gist meaning of Syadvad is that whatever a person with ordinary intelligence advises on any subject that is monogamous, that is the veracity of that consultation is according to the same context with which they were conceived. Syadvad is also tells about the Satbhangi Nyay, that is, Syat is not, Syat is or is not, Syat is latent, Syat is and also latent, Syat is not and also latent, Syat is not and Syat is latent. Here Syat represents knowledge. As we previously discussed that Jain philosophy divided matters into two parts, that is Jeev and Ajeev. Epistemologically, Jain philosophy considered Jeev as equivalent to sun and also considered obtaining of knowledge through direct and indirect media. The knowledge through sense organ and mind is indirect, whereas the knowledge obtained through inference, that is guess, is direct. Knowledge for charity is direct knowledge. This is of three types. These three are Avadhi, Manhaparyay and Kaivalya. Metaphysically, Jain philosophy says that there are two main religions. One is affective and second one is non-affective. In respect to matter, Jain philosophy says that world is made up of different kind of matters. And the matter have two qualities. One is permanent and second is temporary. Origin, event or situation and destruction are the features of matters. Matters are of two types, Jeev and Ajeev. In Jain philosophy, Jeev is denoted as soul. Soul is of two types, free and bonded. Ajeev, that is Jad, is of five types, Dharma, Adharma, Kal, Akash and Pudgal. Dharma helpful in motion, Adharma helpful in stagnation, Kal helpful in time, Akash helpful in space and Pudgal is the combination and separation of Ajiv. When we talk about the axiology of Jain philosophy, it says that aim of life is freedom from bondage. When there is no bondage, attainment of moksha, that is salvation, occurs. Panch Mahavrat takes very important place in Jain philosophy. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha and Brahmacharya are the Panch Mahavrat. No violence is Ahimsa, speaking truth is Satya, do not steal is Asteya, non-collection of assets is Aparigraha, and away from sexual continence and follow good path is Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is given by Mahavir Swami and all four others are given by Parshvanath. Now we are going to learn the characteristics of Jain philosophy. Jain philosophy is pluralist and realistic. It is also atheistic philosophy. Jain philosophy considered salvation as ultimate aim of life. It attempts to view other philosophical ideas in relative terms. Due to this, it is called Syadvad. The Saptabhangi Nyaya, new doctrine, is followed in Jainism. Jainism provides more importance to Panch Mahavrat. For Grihasth, there is Panch Anuvrat in place of Panch Mahavrat. For attainment of salvation, Jain philosophy is talking about Three Ratnas. These Three Ratnas are Samyak Gyan, Samyak Charitra and Samyak Darshan. Knowledge of truth and false is Samyak Gyan. Rejection of bad work and acceptance of good work is Samyak Charitra. And respect toward real knowledge is Samyak Darshan. Moksha in Jainism is Sanvar, Nirjara and Ananta Chatushthay. By following Three Ratna, Samvar obtained. It is a condition in which Jeev is ready for salvation. In Nirjara, bad deeds are about to finish. In Ananta Chatushthay, deeds are totally finished, that is, Nirvan, Kaivalya or salvation obtained. Here I am ending this session. For educational implication of Jain philosophy, watch my next video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Shuchi. And do not forget to press bell icon for latest update. Thank you for watching.